order also, infinite order also existing. Another one have complex roots of unity. Complex roots of unity, some books and all writing infinite roots of unity, but that is wrong. Just suppose that G is equal to complex roots of unity. Complex roots of unity means collection of all nth roots of unity, 2 roots of unity, 3 roots of unity. Already I gave, no, nth roots of unity is a cyclic group of order n under multiplication, isomorphism with Zn. Already I gave. So here all nth roots of unity collection. G is a group, complex roots of unity is a group under multiplication of all nth roots of unity. All nth roots. What is the nth roots means? For all n belongs to natural number respectively. All. Infinite have, no, n belongs to natural infinite. So all, whatever n you will choose, all nth roots of unity are collection. This meaning what? G star what will contain? 1 root of unity means 1. 2 root of unity means 1 and minus 1. So 1 already I got, minus 1. Cube root of unity means 1 omega square. 1 already have, omega means minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 and minus 1 I minus root 3 by 2. Fourth root of unity means 1 minus 1 I minus I. So 1 minus 1 already have, I minus I. Like that fifth root of unity, sixth root of unity, everything will collect. And here also every element, obviously all are nth root of unity, fourth root of unity, fifth root of unity, so all are finite order element only, correct? Here we can write all elements of G star are finite order elements. And all nth root of unity will give nth root of subgroups. 1, 2 root of unity, 1 subgroup, no, 1 minus 1, 3 root of unity, 1 subgroup, 1 omega square, nth root of, fourth root of unity, 1 minus 1, I minus I. So all nth root of unity is a n order subgroups, cyclic subgroups, and all are cyclic, all are unique. All nth roots of unity are n order cyclic subgroups of G star. Also can write all unique subgroups, all are unique will come. And here also all D order element, here D plus n have 2 root of unity, minus 1 only and 1, so minus 1 is the 2 order element. Cube root of unity means 3 order element will come, omega and omega square. Fourth root of unity means 4 order element will come, I and minus I. So 5 of 4 is 2. So here also total n order, and D plus n I am writing, n order elements in G star is 5 of n. Finally we can tell now this complex root of unity under multiplication is isomorphism with q by z under addition, both are same nature. And here after we can write this complex root of unity is a subgroup, infinite order subgroup of C star, complex star. C star will contain finite order also, infinite order also. C star under multiplication is an abelian group of finite order finite nth roots of unity, right? Or finite n order elements and infinite order elements, both have there. Both exist. Correct. Like that only. We can tell this is a complex subgroup. We can tell complex roots of unity is an infinite order subgroups of C star. This and all more high level concepts I gave. Interview and all will ask. Okay, right. Q by Z I gave from here. You can find R by Z, C by Z. Possible or not? This is you can think. Okay, right enough. Right from here.